Step number 4, go to google.com and just search Google News. And now we can find some articles that are easy to make a video about. As you can see, top stories. Let's just click on a random one like this. Now we can copy this article, bring it back to ChatGPT and ask it to rewrite it. Just like this, and click on enter. So we're just gonna copy this, go to 11labs.io. This is the best sounding text to speech that is available right now. And even with the free version, you're able to get about 10,000 characters. And if you choose to upgrade, it's only about $10 per month. As you can see, you have all of these pre-made models that you have, but I recommend you actually click on the Voice Lab.